welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a daisy cake. I've been thinking about this one for a while, actually. It's like incredibly simple and yet so beautiful. I just really love the look of it. So I wanted to make one covered in fondant daisies. Let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some white fondant and used a plunger cutter to cut out a whole bunch of daisies. These first daisies, I'm cutting them in half and placing them with the flat half flush to the bottom of the cake. Then I cut out more daisies and placed them overlapping on the cake, and I continued with this until the entire cake was covered with daisies. I love how this cake turned out. It's just so simple and clean. I absolutely love it. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.